In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your Wix website. Whether you're getting started with a new site or updating your branding, adding a logo is a simple yet crucial step to make your website stand out and look professional. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. Open your preferred browser and head over to the Wix website, signing into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're there, select your website from the dashboard and open up the editor where you can make changes to your site. Now that you're in the editor, your next step is to add a new element to your page. Look towards the left-hand side of the editor, and you'll see an option labeled Add Elements. Go ahead and click on that. This area is essentially your toolbox for enhancing your site, offering a host of options from texts and images to buttons and beyond. Next up, we'll focus on images since our goal is to add a logo. Still within the Add Elements section, click on Image. You'll be presented with various categories and images you can add, but we want to use our own custom logo, so let's click on the option for a custom logo. After selecting Custom Logo, you should see an option to add a new logo. Click on Add Logo to get started. If your logo is not already in your Wix media library, don't worry. We can take care of that by uploading your logo from your computer. Once you see your logo on the page, click on it. Here, you'll have the option to resize it by pulling at the corners of the logo. Make sure your logo is proportionate and fits well within the layout of your page. The key here is to ensure your logo is visible but not overwhelming. You might want to add more elements or images to complement your logo, so if you wish, click on Add Elements once more and followed by Image to explore other graphical options that Wix offers. Now, to get your custom logo onto the page, click on Upload and Import. Then choose Upload Images. This will bring up a screen where you can browse your computer and select the file you need. Locate your logo file, click on it to highlight it, and then choose Open to upload. Once the logo has been uploaded, you'll need to click on your image in the Media Viewer. This will select your uploaded logo. Finally, click on Add to Page to place it on your website. That's it! You've successfully added your custom logo to your Wix site. Feel free to move it around or resize it as needed to ensure it complements the rest of your page design. Remember, a well-placed logo can make a big difference in how visitors perceive your site, so make it count. Thanks for watching and happy designing!